everyone, today we have a new behind the scenes photo shoot video. Today's model is Angelique from 520 Model Management, and we're doing another no makeup shoot which I've been absolutely loving lately. And today I'm going to be shooting on the Sony A7 III and testing out how the Canon 85mm f1.2 works on the Sony body, and I'm using a Metabones 4 adapter. So we're going to jump into shooting. We're going to use some harsh lighting. It's around 11 AM at the moment, and yeah, let's jump into the photo shoot. And did you want to try some where you maybe kind of play around with your arm? Yeah, that's beautiful. Awesome. And maybe play around with your hair a little bit, like you can tuck it behind your ears and perfect. Do you want to do some kind of like side on to me would look cool? Amazing. I want to do one sitting down, I think would be cool. Maybe just over there in the corner. So if you sit down, not too close to the edge, like just here, and facing this way. Beautiful. Can I get one of you with this arm kind of down, I think would look cool? Yeah. And just one looking at me in that position. Yeah, perfect. Can I get one more of you looking that way and up? It looked really nice. Awesome. Yeah, I love that. I like this white top on you actually, it makes you like stand out. I'll get a full body shot here as well. I might try and get a landscape, so I have to move back. Yeah, that's awesome. Do you want to try one from behind if you put your hands in like your back pockets? Even if you wanted to, just so it's like a little more casual, if you wanted to bring kind of one leg down and bring your foot out just a little bit, like down towards the other foot, yeah. It just like elongates your leg a little bit, yeah. You got like one strand of hair. Yeah, there we go. That's beautiful, I like that. Maybe rest your hands like on the ground in between your legs. Yeah. So for the most part, the 85 seems to be working really well at the moment while we're taking photos. It works a lot better in harsh sunlight than it does in backlit situations. When we were shooting the backlit portraits, I found that the barrel was rolling quite a lot in between photos. However, when it did capture the focus eventually, there were so many sharp shots one after another, which was great. Also, the back of the Sony LCD is kind of really hard to see in harsh sunlight, so I'm kind of being forced to use the viewfinder. But I'm getting used to it slowly, so I guess it's not that bad. Again, just in between here. Yeah. Let me see what that looks like. Yeah, that's really nice. Whoops. That's beautiful. I'm gonna try some where you kind of like swing your arms and kind of twist around and stuff. Yeah, beautiful. I'm standing in the puddle again. That looks awesome. I'm gonna get some full body shots here because it looks amazing. And I don't have to stand in the puddle. Do you want to try one where you kind of like step kind of back and forth? Yeah. I also want to try one with the sun coming into your face. So I'll just test out what that looks like. Oh, that's so pretty actually. Bring your shoulder into your like chin a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. That looks so pretty, like straight into the sun. I love it so much. Do you want to try some with your hands maybe up? Yeah. And you can close your eyes if the sun's getting into your face too much. Yeah. Yes. And there's so much blue. So pretty. And open your eyes for a sec. Yeah. Awesome. These are so pretty, I love them. And do you want to bring it up here and kind of like cuddle in? Yeah. Just bring your chin down a little bit. Yeah, there we go. And do you want to do a couple where you're just like tucking your hair a little bit? Yeah, amazing. Sorry about like the constant sun in your eyes. Do you want to try crossing your legs and then I'm like doing a standing up and then kind of do that? Yeah. Awesome. Let me get a close-up of that. It's beautiful. I'm like snapping lots when you open your eyes. That looks so good. Let me just get some in landscape too. Beautiful. And then drop your hand down and just kind of, yeah, have it hanging. Oh, if you shut your eyes, can you like kind of open your fingers so the sun goes in that eye a little bit?
Is that?
Yeah, I think with your pinky down. Yeah, there we go. Open your pinky a little bit more. Yeah, there we go. You can close them too if you need a break. I think we should get one in there.
Cool.
Thank you. Okay. Well, we're done. So we just wrapped up our photo shoot and it went amazing. I'm super happy with the photos that we got, especially the harsh lit portraits. I think were my favorite from today. The Canon 85mm worked pretty well on the Sony camera. I would recommend if you only have Canon lenses and you want to get a Sony body, that they do work really well with an adapter, especially in a photo shoot like this, which is more of a controlled environment. I am going to be testing out my Canon lenses on a Sony body at a wedding really soon, and I'll let you know how that goes, as it's a more kind of stressful and chaotic environment to be shooting in. But yeah, so keep an eye out for that video. But otherwise, I really hope you guys enjoyed today's photo shoot. Please let me know what your favorite shots were in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all next time. Bye.